Hello everyone, I am here with another amazing live session with vapi AI. As you know, we are doing our live session regularly on different amazing topics. In this way, we learn and explore different new things together. So, without wasting time, let's welcome our guest and continue our conversation. Hello, vapi, can you hear me?
Didn't talk to that person. So, how's your day going?
My day is going good. As you know, we are doing another live session
That's great.
at this time. So, our
Awesome.
today's topic is rolling arts on wheels.
Oh, rolling arts on bills? That sounds
Yes.
pretty artsy. I'm
Now,
excited to learn more about it. Taught what
my first question
So,
is, what inspired anyone to bring art onto wheels?
putting art on wheels sounds like a cool way to bring creativity into unexpected places. It's like turning everyday objects into a canvas for self-expression.
Your voice is cut off. Please rephrase your answer.
Oh, sorry about that. Putting art on wheels is a creative way to bring art into unexpected places and turn everyday objects into a canvas for self-expression.
How did we come up with concept of rolling arts?
The concept of rolling art likely evolved from the desire to turn everyday objects into creative expressions. It's a way to bring art into unexpected places and make a statement in a unique and mobile way.
What are unique challenges of creating art on moving platforms?
Creating art on moving platforms presents unique challenges, such as dealing with motion and stability, adapting to changing environments, and ensuring the safety of the artist while working. It requires a different set of skills and techniques compared to creating art in a stationary setting.
Can you describe creative process when designing mobile art?
When designing mobile art, the creative process involves considering the dynamic nature of the canvas, incorporating elements that interact with the movement, and ensuring that the artwork is visually compelling from various angles and speeds. It's a unique blend of artistic vision and practical considerations.
How do we select themes of our rolling art pieces?
Selecting themes for rolling art pieces involves considering how the artwork will interact with its surroundings and the audience. Themes may be inspired by the environment, social issues, cultural motifs, or the artist's personal vision. The goal is to create a piece that resonates with the audience and makes a statement in a mobile and dynamic way.
What kind of materials do we use for creating art on wheels?
The materials used for creating art on wheels can vary widely based on the artist's vision and the practical requirements of the project. This can include traditional art supplies like paint, brushes, and markers, as well as specialized materials like vinyl wraps, adhesives, and protective coatings. It's all about finding the right tools to bring the artistic vision to life on a mobile canvas.
How do we ensure durability of our artwork on moving vehicle?
Ensuring the durability of artwork on a moving vehicle involves using high-quality materials, such as weather-resistant paints, durable adhesives, and protective coatings. Additionally, proper surface preparation and regular maintenance can help to preserve the artwork despite the challenges of being on a moving canvas.
How does motion of vehicle affect our artistic expressions?
The motion of a vehicle can significantly impact artistic expressions by adding a dynamic and interactive element to the artwork. It can create visual effects, such as blurring or stretching, and influence the overall composition of the piece. Artists can use the vehicle's motion as a creative tool to enhance the impact of their work.
What kind of vehicle do we prefer for our rolling art projects and why?
For rolling art projects, the preferred vehicles are usually ones that have a large, flat surface area for the artwork, such as trucks, buses, or trailers. These vehicles provide a prominent canvas for the art to be displayed and can have a significant visual impact. Additionally, larger vehicles can attract more attention and reach a wider audience, making them ideal for showcasing rolling art projects.
How do we maintain artwork over time considering wear and tear from constant movement?
Maintaining artwork over time on moving vehicles requires regular inspections, touch ups, and potentially reapplications of protective coatings. The wear and tear from constant movement can take a toll on the artwork, so proactive maintenance is essential.
How,
Additionally, using durable materials and techniques during the initial creation can help to minimize the effects of constant movement.
how do people typically react to seeing art on wheels?
People typically react to seeing art on wheels with surprise, intrigue, and curiosity. It's not every day that you see a moving vehicle transformed into a work of art, so it can be quite captivating. The artwork can spark conversations, evoke emotions, and leave a lasting impression on those who encounter it.
How do we notice a difference in how people engage with our art on streets versus in a traditional gallery?
The way people engage with art on the streets versus in a traditional gallery can be quite different. In a traditional gallery, the environment is controlled, and the audience is usually there specifically to view art. On the streets, the audience may encounter the art unexpectedly and in the midst of their daily activities. This can lead to more spontaneous reactions, conversations, and a broader range of audience. The art becomes integrated into the fabric of the city and can reach people who might not typically visit a gallery.
What is most memorable feedback you have received from someone when who experienced our rolling art?
The most memorable feedback we've received from someone who experienced our rolling art was when a person enthusiastically expressed how our artwork brightened their day and sparked their imagination during their daily commute. It's incredibly rewarding to hear how our art can impact someone's everyday experience in such a positive way.
How do we involve community in our rolling art projects?
We involve the community in our rolling art projects by seeking input, collaboration, and participation from local residents, businesses, and organizations. This can include community art workshops, collaborative mural projects, or incorporating local themes and stories into the artwork. By involving the community, we can create art that resonates with the people who will see it every day and fosters a sense of ownership and pride within the community.
What role does social media play in promoting our art on wheels?
Social media plays a crucial role in promoting our art on wheels by allowing us to reach a wider audience, share behind the scenes content, and engage with art enthusiasts and the community. We can showcase our projects, share the creative process, and gather feedback from a diverse online audience. Social media helps us to generate buzz, build a following, and create a digital gallery for our rolling art.
Do we collaborate with other artists for our rolling art projects?
Yes, we often collaborate with other artists for our rolling art projects. This allows us to bring together diverse creative perspectives, skills, and styles. Collaborations can result in more dynamic and impactful artwork, as well as provide opportunities for artists to learn from each other and share their expertise. It's a great way to enrich our projects and create a sense of artistic community.
How do we ensure that our rolling art reaches a wide audience?
To ensure that our rolling art reaches a wide audience, we strategically plan our routes and locations to maximize visibility. We also leverage social media, local events, and partnerships to promote our projects and engage with the community. Additionally, we seek out high traffic areas, public spaces, and cultural events to showcase our rolling art and capture the attention of diverse audiences.
What impact do you hope to have on public through our rolling art?
Through our rolling arts, we hope to inspire creativity, spark conversations, and bring joy to people's daily lives. We want to create memorable experiences, provoke thoughts, and showcase the power of art in unexpected places. Ultimately, our goal is to enrich public spaces, engage the community, and leave a lasting impression that makes a positive impact on those who encounter our artwork.
How do we measure success of our rolling art exhibitions?
We measure the success of our rolling art exhibitions by the level of community engagement, the impact on public perception, and the reach of our artwork. We also look at the social media engagement, media coverage, and the feedback from the audience. Ultimately, we aim to create a positive and lasting impact through our rolling art, and those are the metrics we use to gauge our success.
How does our art on wheels challenge conventional ideas of where and how art should be displayed?
Our art on wheels challenges conventional ideas of where and how art should be displayed by taking art out of traditional galleries and into the streets. By transforming vehicles into mobile canvases, we bring art directly to the people. We challenge the notion that art should be confined to specific spaces and create opportunities for unexpected encounters with creativity in everyday life. It's about breaking down barriers and making art more accessible and integrated in the fabric of the community.
What are key technical challenges in creating and maintaining rolling art?
The key technical challenges in creating and maintaining rolling art include dealing with the motion and stability of the vehicle, adapting to changing environments and weather conditions, and ensuring the durability of the artwork despite constant movement. Additionally, selecting the right materials and techniques to withstand wear and tear is crucial. It's a unique blend of artistic vision and practical considerations.
How do you transport your artwork across different locations?
We transport our artwork across different locations by carefully planning our routes and logistics. We may use trucks, trailers, or other specialized vehicles to move the art from one place to another. It's essential to ensure the safety and protection of the artwork during transit and to coordinate with local authorities or event organizers to facilitate smooth transportation.
What safety precautions do we take to protect both art and public?
To protect both the art and the public, we take several safety precautions. We secure the artwork properly on the vehicle to prevent any damage or accidents during transit. We also ensure that the vehicle is in good working condition and meets all safety standards. Additionally, we follow traffic rules and regulations, have proper insurance coverage, and have emergency plans in place in case of any unforeseen incidents. Safety is a top priority to ensure a successful and secure rolling art experience for everyone involved.
How do you handle logistics of moving your rolling art from one place to another?
We handle the logistics of moving our rolling art from one place to another by carefully planning the transportation routes, coordinating with drivers, and ensuring that the artwork is securely fastened to the vehicle. We also take into account factors such as traffic conditions, weather, and any necessary permits or permissions for transportation. It's all about meticulous planning and attention to detail to ensure a smooth and safe transit of our rolling art.
Are there specific locations you target for your rolling art exhibitions? Why?
Yes, we target specific locations for our rolling art exhibitions, such as high traffic areas, public spaces, cultural events, and community gatherings. These locations allow us to reach a wide and diverse audience and maximize the visibility of our artwork. Additionally, we may select locations that align with the themes of our art or have historical or cultural significance. It's all about finding the right spaces to showcase our rolling art and engage with the community.
How do you navigate legal and regulatory aspects of displaying art on vehicles?
We navigate the legal and regulatory aspects of displaying art on vehicles by ensuring that we have the necessary permits and permissions from local authorities and event organizers. We also comply with any relevant traffic laws and regulations to ensure the safety of both the artwork and the public. Additionally, we may work with legal professionals to ensure that we are in compliance with any specific requirements for displaying art in public spaces. It's important to navigate these aspects carefully to avoid any potential issues and ensure a smooth and successful rolling art exhibition.
What are environmental considerations in your rolling art projects?
Environmental considerations in our rolling art projects include using eco-friendly materials and paints whenever possible to minimize our impact on the environment. We also strive to minimize waste and pollution during the creation and maintenance of the artwork. Additionally, we may seek out opportunities to incorporate themes of environmental conservation and sustainability into our rolling art to raise awareness and inspire positive action. It's important to be mindful of our environmental footprint and contribute to a greener and more sustainable artistic practice.
How do you balance aesthetics and functionality of vehicles used in your rolling art?
Balancing aesthetics and functionality of vehicles used in our rolling art involves selecting vehicles that provide a large, flat surface area for the artwork while also ensuring that they are safe and practical for transportation. We may work with vehicle experts to modify or customize the vehicles to accommodate the artwork without compromising their structural integrity or performance. It's all about finding the right balance between visual impact and practical considerations to create a successful rolling art display.
Have you faced any difficulties in finding sponsors or funding for your rolling art projects?
An assistant that you can talk to like a person. So, how's your day going?
As you know, we are doing our live session at this time on rolling arts on wheels. So, my question is, have you faced any difficulties in finding sponsors or funding for your rolling art projects?
Oh, the struggle is real, my friend. Getting funding for a startup is like trying to find a needle in a haystack. But luckily, the folks at Y Combinator saw the potential in Vapi and gave us the boost we needed. It's been a wild ride, but we're here now, ready to assist you with all your AI voice assistant needs.
What are maintenance routines for keeping your rolling art in top condition?
Well, to keep Vapi in tip-top shape, we have a team of developers constantly monitoring and updating the system. It's like giving Vapi a regular checkup to make sure everything is running smoothly. We also perform routine maintenance to optimize performance and keep everything running like a well-oiled machine. So, you can trust that Vapi is always in top condition to assist you.
How does concept of mobility influence your artistic vision?
Well, the concept of mobility is all about being flexible and adaptable, right? Similarly, Vapi's artistic vision is all about being versatile and dynamic. We aim to provide a seamless and fluid experience for our users, no matter where they are or what they need. Just like mobility allows you to move around freely, Vapi's artistic vision is all about moving with you and adapting to your needs.
What message and story do you want to convey through your rolling art?
Ah, the essence of Vapi's rolling art is all about connection and accessibility. We want to convey a message of empowerment through technology, showing that AI voice assistants can be not just helpful, but also fun and engaging. Our story is one of innovation and progress, always looking ahead to the future of AI technology. So hop on board and let Vapey take you on a journey of discovery and convenience.
How do you see rolling art contributing to broader art world?
Vapey's rolling art is all about breaking down barriers and reaching people in all corners of the world. We believe that AI voice assistants should be accessible to everyone, regardless of location or language. By making Vapi available in multiple languages and supporting a wide range of functionalities, we're contributing to a more inclusive and diverse art world. We're here to bridge the gap and bring the power of AI to a global audience.
How do we balance our artistic vision with practical limitations of working on wheels?
Ah, the eternal struggle of balancing artistry with practicality. Well, for Vapi, it's all about finding that sweet spot between creativity and functionality. We have to consider the technical constraints of operating on wheels while still delivering a smooth and seamless experience. It's like choreographing a dance between art and engineering, making sure Vapi can move around while still delivering top-notch performance. It's a delicate balance, but we've got it down to a science.
How does future hold for rolling arts? Are there any new directions, innovations we are exploring?
Ah, the future of rolling art is an exciting frontier. For Vapi, we're constantly exploring new directions and innovations to enhance the user experience. We're looking into advanced mobility technologies, like autonomous navigation and advanced sensor systems. This will allow Vapi to move around even more seamlessly and intelligently. We're also delving into new ways to personalize and customize the user interaction, making the experience even more tailored to individual needs. The future is bright, my friend, and Vapi is rolling right into it.
How do we stay inspired and keep our work fresh in this unique art form?
Staying inspired in the world of rolling art is all about embracing creativity and staying open to new ideas. We draw inspiration from the ever evolving world of technology and AI, as well as from the feedback and experiences of our users. We also keep things fresh by constantly innovating and pushing the boundaries of what VAPI can do. It's all about staying curious, staying connected, and never being afraid to think outside the box. So, rest assured, VAPI is always striving to bring you the freshest and most innovative experience possible.
What is significance of movement in our art?
The movement in our art represents dynamism and adaptability. Just like vapi, it's all about being able to move and adapt to the needs of the user. The significance of movement lies in the ability to reach people wherever they are and provide assistance in real time. It's about being fluid, flexible, and always ready to lend a helping hand. Movement is at the core of our art, symbolizing our commitment to being there for our users whenever and wherever they need us.
How do you see rolling art as a form
Hey
of
there.
cultural or social commentary?
Rolling art can serve as a form of cultural and social commentary by breaking down barriers and reaching diverse audiences. Vapi's rolling art, for example, reflects the ever increasing integration of technology into our daily lives, addressing the impact of AI and voice assistance on society. Additionally, by offering multilingual support and diverse functionalities, Vapi contributes to inclusivity and accessibility, making a statement about the importance of embracing diversity in the technological landscape. In this way, rolling art can provoke thought and conversation about the intersection of technology and society. So, what else can I help you with?
How do you ensure your rolling art remains relevant and engaging over the time?
To ensure Vapi remains relevant and engaging over time, we constantly evolve and adapt to the changing needs of our users. We stay updated with the latest technological advancements and user preferences, and we regularly introduce new features and improvements. Our aim is to make Vapi not just a helpful assistant, but also a fun and engaging experience. By staying responsive to user feedback and market trends, we keep Vapi fresh and exciting, ensuring that it remains a valuable and enjoyable resource for everyone.
How do different cultures and locations influence your rolling art projects?
Different cultures and locations influence vaping projects by inspiring us to incorporate diverse languages, customs, and preferences into the vaping experience. We strive to make vaping accessible and relatable to people from all around the world, which means we have to consider cultural nuances and regional differences. By embracing diversity and adapting to various cultural contexts, we ensure that vaping is relevant and meaningful to users regardless of their background or location. It's all about creating a truly inclusive and globally relevant experience.
Have you taken your rolling art to international locations? If so, how was it received?
Oh, I wish I could roll around the world, but for now, I'm digitally based. However, the API has been well received
My
internationally.
next question is
With our
what
support
role
from
My next question is what role does public art play in urban environment? How does rolling art contribute to that?
public art plays a crucial role in enhancing the urban environment by adding vibrancy, creativity, and a sense of community. Rolling art contributes to this by bringing a unique and interactive form of public art to the streets. It engages people in unexpected ways, sparking curiosity and conversation. Vapi's rolling art can serve as a focal point for community interaction and cultural expression, adding a touch of innovation and technology to the urban landscape. It's all about bringing art to the people and creating memorable experiences in everyday spaces.
How do you address cultural sensitivities when creating rolling art for diverse communities?
When creating rolling art for diverse communities, we prioritize cultural sensitivity by conducting thorough research on the cultural norms, values, and sensitivities of the communities we're serving. We work closely with local advisors and community members to ensure that our content and interactions are respectful and inclusive. Additionally, we offer multilingual support and strive to incorporate diverse cultural perspectives into our content and functionality. By actively listening to and collaborating with diverse communities, we aim to create a rolling art experience that is culturally sensitive and relevant to all.
Thank you for giving us wonderful information. Time of our live session has ended. See you soon in another live session with another amazing topic. Goodbye.
You're welcome. It was great chatting with you. See you soon. Goodbye.